To publish your Android app to Google Play Store, you must have a Google Play developer account. In this video, we'll learn how to publish your Android app to Google Play Store. Let's first create a new app in Google Play Console, and provide your app name. Choose whether you are uploading an app or game, and choose if it's free or paid. You must accept all the declaration policies in order to publish your app to Google Play Store. Now under Store Presence, navigate to Store Listings menu and create a default store listing. Let's enter a short description and a full description of the app. Next, you will have to upload your app logo, which must be 512 by 512 pixels. Then you will need to upload a feature graphic of 1024 by 500 pixels. If you have a featured video of your app, you can add it here. Now, you will have to upload some screenshots of your app for both phone and tablet. Let's now save the store listing. Next, navigate to App Content menu and complete all available declarations. Let's first provide a publicly available privacy policy page URL from my website. Then the ads declaration. As my app has no AdMob ads integration, I will choose that my app does not contain ads. Next, the app access. If your app or website has some features or content, those are only available if a user signs in, then you will have to provide information to Google Reviewer Team. As my website has some restricted content, those are only available to logged-in users. I'll choose the second option. Then I'll have to provide a testing account credential so that Google Reviewer Team can use that account information to log in and test. Next step is content ratings. First, enter your email address and the category of the app. Then answer all the questions according to your app. Mostly, the answer to all of the questions is a no. Finally, save the ratings. Next, choose your target audience, where the target age group should be 18 to over. Next, I'm choosing that in any way, my app cannot appeal to children. After that, we'll have to declare if the app is a news app or not. If your app is a news app, you must have necessary documents to publish news. In the data safety declaration, you'll have to let Google know that the app does not collect and share any data. No matter what your website collects, remember, the app does not collect and share any data itself. Next, in Advertising ID, you will have to tell if your app uses any SDK that contains Advertising ID. In my case, I am not using any. Next, choose if your app is a government app or not. Also choose if your app contains financial features or not. If you don't have necessary permission to conduct financial activities, you should choose that your app doesn't have financial features. Lastly, choose if your app is a health app or not. Now navigating to the dashboard menu and select the app category. Also here, we will have to enter the contact details, which will be displayed in Google Play Store. Let's now navigate to the production menu. If you see this, it means your developer account was created after November 13, 2023, so you must pass the closed testing first. So let's now navigate to the closed testing menu. Here you will have to upload the app for testing by at least 20 people for 14 days. First, choose the countries where your testers are. Next, enter your testers' email addresses. These will be the email addresses your testers are using in their device's Play Store app. For this tutorial, I am just entering 2 email addresses. In your case, it should be minimum 20. Now in the Releases tab, create a new release. Here, if you see a warning like this to choose sign-in key, select to use Google-generated key. Next, you will have to upload the AAB file generated from Apillix here. Click the Next button. If you see a debug symbol warning, don't worry about that and you can proceed to save. Now this will bring us to the Publishing Overview menu. From here we can send all the changes for review, which can take 2 to 5 business days to be completed by the reviewer team. Now our app is in review. From our another app, I'm going to show you what to do next when the review is completed. When the review will be completed, under the Testers tab in Closed Testing page, you will get a link to join on Android. Copy the link and share to your testers. If the testers click the link in their Android device, they will be able to install the app from Play Store app. Tell them to keep the app installed in their device for at least 14 days. After that, you will be able to upload the app under Production to make it publicly available in Play Store.